Your cryptocurrency can crash in exactly 1 week from today. Yes, you heard that right. Crypto might sell off in the next week, and I'm going to show you exactly why in today's video and what you need to know to prepare yourself right now before the next major move. Now, just like we can sell off a lot, we can also pump. Now, why do I say that? Well, watch this video to know exactly why I say that and why crypto can go lower in the next week from now. So, right now, cryptocurrency has been doing very well for the past 3 months since the beginning of the year, but the past week has not looked so good for crypto. So, we're kind of cooling off right now. But this sell off has to do with Ethereum. Yes, there is something huge happening with Ethereum in the next week that could be, by the rumor, sell the news type of event. Now, before we get into it, and I'm going to show you the charts of Ethereum, we're going to dive deep into what you need to know today. Make sure you check out Switch Finance. This is a sponsor of today's video, so shout out to them. It is a decentralized exchange where you can control your own cryptocurrency. You can swap, earn, and grow your portfolio on one of crypto's most powerful decentralized exchanges. Now, this is a website right here. This is the total volume. They already have over 50,000 users, and they are on the cutting edge of services and products in the decentralized exchange space. So this right here is what the application looks like. You can trade any cryptocurrency for another cryptocurrency, like for example, BNB right here. You can trade it for Switch or a stablecoin or a bunch of other cryptocurrencies. And also, you can earn right now. There is a super lottery happening as I'm recording this video. The jackpot value is over $200,000. All you need to do is connect your wallet and enter this drawing, which costs about 2 stablecoins, $2 to enter this lottery, and you might win huge. So check that out. And also, this is some more information, statistics, analytics about Switch Finance right here. This is the total liquidity and the total volume for Switch Finance. So this is a kind of a new project, and they sponsored today's video. So this is a paid promotion, but I see the value in decentralized exchanges, and that is why I am mentioning them to you today. So Switch Finance, this right here, is definitely something that you want to check out. This is their Twitter page right here, and you can earn up to 500% APY right now just for the new users. Okay, so this is a new project, and this APY will not last long. So what are you waiting for? If you want to take advantage of that, go ahead and do it today. And also, they do have a crypto token, Switch token, that you can invest in. And again, the super lottery is something that you probably want to take advantage of if you want to win some money. But check it out. The links will be down below. This is their Discord page right here. And again, they're on Twitter. So shout out to Switch Finance. This right here, I believe decentralized exchanges are much better than centralized exchanges. And they were partnered up, or they were mentioned on CoinGecko, Yahoo Finance, MarketWatch, CoinMarketCap, Benzinga. So that is why you want to own your own crypto and maximize your investments today when you make the switch to Switch Finance. Well, anyways, let's get back to today's video. So Ethereum. Why do I say that a crypto sell-off, a crypto crash could happen in the next week from now, and what does it have to do with Ethereum? That is what we're going to answer right now. So this right here is a chart of Ethereum, but before we get into it, there is a huge upgrade happening in the next week that could bring over $2.4 billion worth of selling pressure to Ethereum. And there will be 1 million Ethereum instantly withdrawable, and this is a big point of concern for a lot of people in the markets. Now, what is this? Basically, on April 13th, there's going to be a Shapella upgrade where people that staked their Ethereum in the past few years can now unstake it and sell it. And Ethereum has been going up in price in the past few weeks leading up to this event. So this could be buy the rumor, sell the news type of event. We see that all the time where once a news actually hits or once a date actually hits, it sells off because there's nothing really else to look forward to. So this could be definitely one of those things. Now, there is another side of the story where people see that, hey, there's large increase in buying activities from smart money. So some people think that the price will not be affected. Some people think that everything will be fine and that Ethereum will continue to go up in price even after the news and the upgrade. So, for example, this expert, quote unquote, says that there's no sell-off after Ethereum's Shapella upgrade, and he looked at some on-chain activity to determine that. And I agree, that could be a possibility, but I'm not going to say for sure that there will be no sell-off, because there very well could be a huge sell-off after the Shapella upgrade, because we see that all the time. You know, buy the rumor, sell the news type of events happen every single week in cryptocurrency, and this is something that people have been looking forward to for a very long time. So let us take a look at some charts before we look at Ethereum's charts, because right here, this right here shows you how many Ethereum have been staked over the past year and a half. And as you can tell, there's now a lot of Ethereum that is staked, about 20 million Ethereum. So people will probably want to take some profits because the price of Ethereum has been going up actually for the past year. So if we do continue to go up, people might want to take some profits. And if goes up, people take profit right here, and then it starts going down a little bit, people might be scared, and then they take more profits and pushes the price down even more. So that is something to think about. And let us take a look at a few other charts, because right here, this is how many staked ETH is in profit right now. So as you can tell, the percent of staked supply in profit is about 50%. So again, that proves my point of why some people will want to take some profit on Ethereum just in case cryptocurrency keeps going down more. This year in 2023, they might want to secure some stable coins so that way they can buy at a lower price. Now, I just want to make one thing clear, okay? On this channel, this is not financial advice. None of our videos are financial advice, but in my opinion, I welcome crashes. I love crashes because that means I can buy my favorite cryptocurrencies at a lower price. So if you're a true long-term investor, or even if you're a trader, make sure you subscribe, tap the like button real quick, and let's keep going, because no one else is going to give you this type of information right here. So the percentage of staked supply that is in profit of 20% or more is over 25%. So this means that more than 25% of Ethereum staked right now is in profit by more than 20%. So that's a good amount of profit, and people are going to want to take some profit. So that's why I say that this could definitely be a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event. Now let's take a look at the chart of Ethereum, because this right here, we have two major things in the Ethereum chart that I want to bring your attention to. First things first is this bearish divergence that we're seeing on the chart right here. So this yellow line, this upsloping yellow line right here, as you can tell, this line that's going up, it shows the resistance of the price of Ethereum that we have been seeing for the past few months. So as you can tell, we went up, we hit resistance, we consolidated, we went down, we went up, and now we're finding consolidating, or we're finding resistance right here again. Okay, but why do I say that's important? Because when we look at the RSI, this measures how overbought or oversold something is. The line has actually been going down. Okay, so usually when the price is going up, the RSI should also be going up. But the fact that the price is going up and the RSI is going down means that there is a bearish divergence. So this shows to me that if we do see a sell-off after the April 13th, April 12th, let me see what date it is again. April 13th. Yes, so basically 1 week from now. If we do see a sell-off after that event, you should not be worried, and I am warning you here first. Okay, so that's the first thing that I want to bring your attention to. Now, the second thing is this other yellow line right here that's going all the way back to a few years ago. So this line is important. So this yellow line right here is because basically this is where we find resistance and support a lot. So it's around the $2,000 mark, and that's psychologically a big barrier. Okay, so when people see $2,000, they're either buying or selling. So 2,000 is a huge number, because this is where we found resistance right here in February of 2021, and then we went down, we consolidated, and once we finally, right here, as you can tell again, we consolidated, But once we finally broke out of it, we went from 2,000 all the way up to about 4,500, which was the top of the market. And then we came down right here again, found consolidation. We popped back up, we came down, we found consolidation again, popped back up, came down, found consolidation again, and then went up on the double top that we all know, what we all saw in 2021 right here, as you can tell. So this $2,000 level of support and resistance is extremely important. So now if we fast forward to after the double top, we saw that Ethereum basically almost bounced off of $2,000 perfectly, went back up, consolidated around 3,000, 3,500, and then we came back down here. We consolidated and we could not go back up, so we started going down. And then popped back up again, $2,000 as you can tell. So this shows how important this $2,000 mark is. We popped up, we could not break it, we went down, we have been consolidating for a year, and now if we go back up to $2,000, you should not be surprised if we either consolidate and we cannot break it. If we go back down, that should not be surprising at all. But on the flip side, if we do break $2,000, I believe we can start going up to almost 2,500 or 3,000 easily. So that is why, again, on this channel, I always suggest that you stay invested in the cryptos that you believe in and also have cash on the side. I say that all the time. I repeat myself like a broken record because you need to be ready for both scenarios. If we go up, you want to have cash to buy the dip, or if we go up, you want to have your investments ready to profit, obviously. And if we go down, you want to have cash ready to buy the dip and to take advantage of the lower prices. So that is why I say that yes, there can be a crash in the next week, and that is what's happening with Ethereum that you definitely need to know about, and that is why there could be a big sell-off happening in the next 7 days.